How was Prophet Ibrahim and Lut related?
Prophet Lut alayhi salam was the nephew of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. That's the right answer. Now tell me, which of these were the sins committed by the people living in Sodom?
It was sodomy.
That's the right answer. Who were the three strangers to visit the land of Sodom?
They were the angels.
MashaAllah. When the angels arrived at the town gate, who was the first to see them?
The angels were first seen by the Prophet's daughter.
That's right again. Why didn't the Prophet invite the strangers to his house right away? Why did he ask them to wait till night?
The strangers were very beautiful, and the Prophet knew that if the evil people of Sodom saw them, they would hurt these strangers. That's why he asked them to stay there till night.
MashaAllah.